Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I bring for you mini twist. This is so beautiful, nice and simple spring twist. So guys, this is really so beautiful and simple. Okay guys, I want to tell you thank you for always return on my channel. And if you're first time to find this channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like for more beautiful hairstyle. This is really simple and nice. It's like your hair, it's not heavy, you feel comfortable, feel smart and elegant. Look at this, it's really so beautiful and nice. I hope you're going to like it. I hope you're going to like it. This is really so beautiful and nice, guys. This is nice. Remember, I'm here to share with you beautiful natural hairstyle, beautiful hairstyle. So I'm here to share with you so that you can find something look good on your hair, on your head. So guys, this is really so beautiful. This is really so simple. So if you should like to use to plait this hair, so you can use afro kinky, you can use spring twisty, you can use person twisty, you can use selfie. So guys, if you can find those two, person twisty, spring twisty, afro kinky, so guys, you can look good, you can look the same like this. Okay guys, this is really so nice and beautiful and simple. And other thing, it's not heavy. If you break the long, it's really not heavy. It's not heavy. Okay guys, it's so beautiful. I hope you're going to like it. And don't forget subscribe, comment and like for more beautiful hair style. I'm just always here to share with you guys. This is really so beautiful. Look at this. If you want to use the long one, guys, you can use person twist. Yes, you can use person twist. This is really so beautiful, guys. Look what, guys, this is really so nice. I hope you're going to like it. I hope you're going to find here. You see, you can use person twist. Person twist, it can make for you nice and look so beautiful. So guys, enjoy the video, have to hand, and thank you so much for watching the video have to hand. Don't forget to subscribe, comment. You can drop your comment. If you like the styles, you can say I like it. Okay guys, so you can say if you want to share something good, you can say you like it. So guys, this is, look, you see, it's really so simple and nice and beautiful. Look at this. Look what this really. Okay guys, enjoy the video up to end. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like.